Today I'm going to mount the Coolsheep luggage rack and the Comie top box on my Honda ADV150. Okay, so we mounted the new rack on the back of the ADV150. As you can see, what I like about this rack is it doesn't raise up higher than the seat. It's even. Some of them raise everything up so you get a higher center of gravity when you're strapping stuff down. I like the fact this one is, as you can see, even with the seat. The bars here, the grab bars, are steel, and the plate here is aluminum. Now, somebody had said that they had used this and it loosened up, so to prevent that, I used blue Loctite. So the blue Loctite is the semi-permanent, so if you do need to get it off, you can, as opposed to the red Loctite that you'd have to heat up to 500 degrees to loosen the bolts. We don't want to do that. So again, we use the blue Loctite to hold those down. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the top case on. So I placed the top mount case mounting bracket on top of the rack. What's nice is all the holes line up perfectly, so I don't have to drill any additional holes. I can just line up the washers and put the screws through with the straps that hold it on the bottom to the rack, and just tighten it all down, and we should be good to go. Okay, so the rack, or I should say the mounting bracket for the top box, is now mounted on the rack. It went down, actually it fit so perfect, so it doesn't add much in height. So next step is to put the cap on it and then see what the box looks like. Okay, so now the decorative cap that actually hides the screws, so that way when you take the top box off, nobody can get to the bolts unless they pop that out, but it's not that obvious. So all right, next we're going to put the box on. And there it is, the Comie top box. And the colors are pretty close match. I mean, it's slightly darker, but nothing anybody's really going to notice unless they're really that up close. I did put a Honda logo on the back of it because why the hell not? It's my Honda. So that's what it looks like. Very easy to install. Like I said, the cover looks really good. Quality of the box, I'm not gonna lie, it's not the quality of a Jivy or a Shad, but for $54 or whatever the heck I paid for it, something like that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. All right, that's gonna wrap this up.